Hello guys, today I am going to tell you the drama Time to Fall in Love. In its starting, we see our main hero who was trying to cross the road, but at a time, she was about to meet with an accident. At a time, our main hero came at the right time and saved her life. At a time, we see our main heroine having a misunderstanding, and she misunderstood him and considered him as an awkward person, as a mental case. But at a time, then we see our main hero who is having a big company in at a time. He's very famous businessman. Our main heroine has come into his office, so she will be able to get a job. But at a time when she entered into his home, into his office, he asked that, "Are you sure that you want to be my personal secretary?" But at a time she refused. She said that, "No, I didn't apply for this job." And then she left, and then we see her going, and then she suddenly felt very hurt and said, and at a time she wanted to change her clothes. So at a time, she looked everywhere in the parking area and decided to change the clothes. At a time, our main hero saw at the surveillance photos at the camera, and he saved her and stopped her from changing her clothes there. And then we see our main hero's grandma. Now she wants to be his son having a girlfriend. At a time she wants to persuade his son to get married to a girl. At a time she saw her and she really liked her, and then our main hero persuaded her to be his girlfriend for time, for a temporary time. So she said yes because she was lacking of money and she needs money for her mother illness, and she will be able to cure her mother disease. So she said yes at a time, and then she finally read all the condition. At a time our main hero wants to talk to her, but she said, "No, I am not interested." But at a time, he suddenly moved and his grandma showed up. At a time when she saw his grandma, she looked very happy. At a time, whenever they both wanted to reveal the truth, her grandma behaved as she is very ill and she can't be able to live. So they both have to put up an act because they don't have any other option. And at that time, we see that while doing the acting of a good couple, they both begin to like each other. At a time, they both fought a lot. At a time, actually, our main heroine, they both are twin sister. At a time our main heroine's twin sister has a scar on her face. She wanted to remove that scar, and at a time she was the one who met all the condition and accepted all the condition from hero. And then later on she sent her sister so she will be able to cure her mother, and then she said that, "I will take care of our mom." And then so our main heroine had to pretend and to be had to accept that job from our main hero. At a time, she slept on sofa, and at a time she was about to fall down, but our main hero saved her. And then we see that while she was waiting for going to be a job, going to be a job, to do a job. At a time our main hero met her and told her to be sit in the car, and told her that, "Now you are my girlfriend, how could you be waiting for a bus?" And then we see that them both pretending to be a marriage. At a time they both are their grandma forced them to get married. At a time we see a little attraction between them, and then we see them both getting married. But this marriage is just a fake marriage because they both don't like each other, and they both just need to pretend to be at good term of husband and wife. And then we see them both making postures and everything at all. And then we see how they both made postures just to be at good gist. And then we see how they both spend their life. And then we see our grandma who just wanted them to be happy and wanted that my son will be happy. So whenever our main hero enters into his house, he really likes it. He loves to spend time with it. At a time her grandma made a soup, so our main heroine suddenly felt very dizzy. At a time when hero came to know that she must have taken that soup. So at a time, with the passage of time, they both began to understand each other and began to like each other. they both liked each other company. And at a time, while our main heroine was putting on a heel, at a time she felt very uncomfortable, so she was about to fall down. At a time, her heel also stuck, and at a time, also putting on heel, just because of putting on heel, she also had a scar on her face. At a time, our main hero carried her, so he won't be able to go late for his work. And then we see that how they both spend time to each other. At a time, how our main hero also put medicine on her scar, so she will be able to feel at ease. Another time, we see that the person who had starting felt to be rude person, but with the passage of time, he becomes a very nice person to her. And then we see that with the passage of time, they both began to spend time with each other, and they really like that company of each other. Then we see that how our main heroine really began to like each other's choice. At that time, when our main hero wanted to get a doll, he unwillingly broke that doll, and she felt very sad. At that time, for our main heroine, our main hero specially brought that artist who made that doll. And then when he was sick, our main heroine also took care of him, so he will be feeling at ease. At that time, we also came to know that when our main hero was a child, he lost their parents, and at that time he also felt a trauma. But at that time, our main heroine helps him helped him to get out from his trauma. And then we see that how he our main hero gave her a dress when she was like you for money, and she had to go to the party with our main hero, but she doesn't has any type of dress. At that time, our main hero gave him a dress. At that time, she put it on, and she looked really beautiful. At that time, we see that how, and then we see how when she came into that party, she was looking amazing, and they both danced together. At that time, our main heroine especially put it on that dress for our main hero because she doesn't want him to feel sad or anything else. At time, we see a beautiful relationship between them, and then we see how they both took care of each other. And at a time, we see that they both, in this passage of time, they both began to like each other. We also came to know that how she pointed on him at a time when she was completely fine. At a time, we see that how they both liked each other. He also began to like her as well. At a time, we see the beautiful understanding between them. At a time, when the dirty water was about to splash on her, she pushed his tie. At a time, the dirty water splashed on our main hero. At a time, she was completely shocked. At a time, our main hero had to change his clothes just because of her. And then we see that when she was about to go, she had a fight with him. At that time, she just stood, so she will be able to show him that I am also tall like him. And then we see that how she kicked him as well when they both had a fight. At that time, we see that how our main hero also proposed her when they both was about to apart, was when the contract was about to end. At that time, our main hero proposed her, and we see that how he proposed her. At that time, our main heroine also liked him a lot, but at that time, she began to cry, and at that time he said that I will take care of you. And at a time, we see a beautiful chemistry between them. And then we see that how they both spend time with each other in the middle of the night. And then we see the enjoying of the moment, amazing moment between them. At a time, we see whenever she felt sad or whenever she felt any type of trauma, he helped her. At a time, her sister also came into her house, and she also tried to threaten her and also tried to steal our main hero from her. But at that time, our main hero came to know the dirty plan of her, so he left her. At that time, we see that when our main hero came to know about all these things, he also fought with her, but at a time she left the house. But then he again persuaded her at a time. But before this, we see that how when her sister didn't come, they both was spending time together with each other, and they were spending time with each other very amazingly. And at a time, they both enjoyed every moment of their. But just because of their sister, they both had to apart from each other. Our main heroine left the city and went into the village, and she also did a lot of hard work there. But then at the end, our main hero again persuaded her, and at a time he again at the end proposed her, and again got they both at the end got married to each other. And he also proposed her that and told her that no matter what, I want to be with you. And we see that at the end, that after facing a lot of problems, after facing the setbacks, hardship, at the end they finally got married to each other. And so how do you like this story? If you like this story, please subscribe, share and comment, as well as like, because your like, your comment gives us the appreciation that we are doing